Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Softr projects from version history safely step by step clearly. To restore Softr projects from version history safely, begin by logging into your Softr account. Navigate to the dashboard where your projects are listed. Select the project you wish to restore from version history. Once on the project page, look for the Settings option typically found in the sidebar. Click on Settings to access various project options. In the Settings menu, find and select the Version History tab. This will display a chronological list of all saved versions of your project. Review the list to identify the specific version you want to restore. Take note of the date and time associated with the version for reference. After identifying the correct version, click on it to view the details. Ensure that this version contains the changes you wish to revert to. If satisfied, look for an option labeled Restore or Revert to this version. Click on the Restore button to initiate the restoration process. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking you to confirm the action. Review the prompt carefully before proceeding. Click Confirm to finalize the restoration of your project. Once the restoration process is complete, the project will now reflect the selected version. It is advisable to review your project after the restoration to ensure everything appears as expected. If any issues arise, you can always repeat the process to revert to another version. Keep in mind that restoring to a previous version may overwrite any changes made after that version was saved. Always document any important alterations you make during your project for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.